Hello, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to update your settings so that you are getting announcements and conversations, which are emails in Canvas, and alerts from your course. In Ed 638C, in the Welcome and Introduction module, at the bottom of the module, there is a link to the tutorial for how to change notifications and settings. Click on the link. The tutorial opens right on this page. You're welcome to follow the tutorial. There's also a link to Canvas's tutorial, and you can click here to download the tutorial. I'm going to show you what you need to do. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on your account to open up your account. After you click on account, this page will open and you need to click on notifications. The notification preferences page opens up and you have 4 choices: a check to notify me right away, a clock to send a daily summary, a calendar to send a weekly summary, or an X, do not send me anything. We want to make sure today that our announcements have a check so that we are notified right away. I like to make sure my grading and my invitations are also checked to be notified right away. Then we want to look down at the discussions and make sure that we are being notified for our discussions. Conversations are the same as emails in Canvas, so we need to make sure that our emails are getting notifications right away. And also we want to make sure that we are getting alerts from our class. That's all. Good luck!